Hello, today we will guide you through how to AD the Exness Demo Account in MT5. To begin, open the Exness website in your browser. This is where you'll create the demo account before connecting it to MetaTrader 5. Make sure the page is fully loaded so all menu options are visible and easy to access. Next, look to the top right area of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This will open additional account options. From there, select Open Account to start creating a new trading account. Once the account setup options appear, choose Continue for Standard. This selects the standard account type, which is commonly used and straightforward for demo trading. After that, click on MT5 to make sure the account is created specifically for MetaTrader 5, since that is the platform you'll be using. Then, select Demo. This is an important step because it ensures you're creating a practice account rather than a live trading account. Demo accounts are useful for testing the platform, practicing trades, and getting familiar with account settings without using real funds. When everything is selected correctly, click Done. Your demo account should now be created. After the account appears, click on Trade for that newly created demo account. This will open the account details and the platform connection options. Now click on MetaTrader 5 and you should be able to view the login information for the account. This is where the platform credentials appear. Be sure to use the information shown on your screen when logging in and keep it available while you complete the next steps in MT5. Next, open MetaTrader 5 on your device. Once the platform launches, go to the top left corner and click File. A menu will appear. From that menu, select Open an Account. This option allows MT5 to search for and connect to the broker's server. In the search bar, type Exness. Give it a moment for the available server results to load. When the results appear, click on Exness Technologies. This step is important because choosing the correct broker server helps MT5 recognize the account properly. From here, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the connection. MT5 will guide you through the remaining prompts, and you'll be able to add the demo account using the account information you viewed earlier. If needed, take your time and review each screen before moving forward to avoid selecting the wrong server or account type. Once completed, your Exness Demo account should be added in MT5 and ready to use.